Hello, my name is Lerato and I work at Velden-Duffey Incorporated. When you are involved in an accident, you have the right to claim compensation from the Road Accident Fund for the harm that you have suffered. With over 35 years of experience, we at Velden-Duffey Incorporated specialize in claims against the Road Accident Fund. We can offer you the best advice and outcome in any situation. We can assist a person who is involved in an actual accident, guardians of children who are involved in an accident, dependents of people who were killed in an accident, and anyone who has paid the funeral costs of a person who was involved in an accident. We can even assist an unborn child to claim from the Road Accident Fund. There are a few important things to share when it comes to claims against the Road Accident Fund. When you are involved in an accident, you can only claim from the Road Accident Fund and not the person who caused the accident. Normally, the accident must be caused by another person's negligence, but where you are negligent, your claim will be apportioned according to your degree of negligence. Instituting a claim against the Road Accident Fund can be very expensive. We can therefore assist you by financing the upfront medical examinations to ensure that you do not carry the burden of having to pay medical examinations in advance. We will appoint experts to assess and quantify your claim, which will ensure that you receive a fair and adequate compensation from the Road Accident Fund. We will do all of the above on a contingency fee basis, which means that we will only be entitled to a fee once we are successful with your claim. One of the most important things to remember is that you have a limited time to lodge your claim. If you are involved in a hit-and-run accident where you cannot identify the vehicle, you have to lodge your claim within 2 years. If you are involved in an accident where you can identify the vehicle, you have to lodge your claim within 3 years. After these periods, you will not be able to claim. All of your medical costs can be claimed from the Road Accident Fund. If you are in an accident and you are unable to work, you can claim your loss of income from the Road Accident Fund. The amount you can claim for loss of income has been capped at 21,863 rands and 83 cents per month with effect 31 July 2017. This means that if you earn 30,000 rand per month, your income will be capped at about 21,800 rands. It is therefore important that a person who earns more than 21,800 rands per month should have a disability insurance in order to cover the difference between your actual income and the income cap in the event of a serious motor vehicle accident that will result in disability. You can also claim general damages from the Road Accident Fund like pain and suffering, loss of enjoyment of life, and disfigurement. You will, however, be required to prove to the Road Accident Fund that you suffered a serious injury. We at Velden-Duffey Incorporated will appoint a medical practitioner who will assess your injuries in order to determine whether you qualify for general damages. If you pay the funeral costs of a person who was killed in an accident, you can claim these costs from the Road Accident Fund. However, the Road Accident Fund will only pay the actual burial costs and not the cost of the tombstone or the ceremony. If you are a passenger in an accident, your claim against the Road Accident Fund is no longer limited to 25,000 rand as it previously was. Your claim will be dealt with on the same basis as all the other claims. The best news is that the Road Accident Fund will pay your legal costs if you are successful with your claim. You may choose to lodge a claim against the Road Accident Fund yourself. However, it is not advisable to do so as it can be very complicated, especially in the case of severe injuries. We at Velden-Duffey Incorporated will ensure that your claim is lodged on time. We will investigate and prosecute your claim against the RAF until you have received a payout. You can rest assured that we will serve your best interests.